This white hatchback can be seen stopping early to keep a very safe distance from the cement mixer. A dump truck carrying a heavy load of sand suddenly rams the car from behind, causing it to get crushed instantly between the two trucks. Footage taken from another angle shows that the female driver miraculously survived this gruesome accident and was fortunately able to walk away with only some minor injuries.
Взяла бы тоже какую-то там 200. Эх ты! Хоть так.
По-другому никак.
Не гони, Леха!
У нас тут чуть был ДТП. Все, хорош, мягенько, прижимайся к носилочке.
This vehicle, running a little too fast on a snowy, slippery road, starts losing traction after trying to swerve away from an oncoming car that was skidding out of control. Got stuck on a ditch, and seconds after being rescued by a truck, another car suddenly swerves in and crashes onto the truck. Multiple close calls with fortunately no serious injuries. This white sedan was trying to get past the slower car in front when the driver panicked at the sight of an oncoming vehicle and started swerving out of control before hitting a post, and the driver can be seen flying a few feet out of the car. Luckily, the driver stands right up and seems to have no serious injuries. A scary attempt to overtake a tractor-trailer almost ended in disaster when the truck started moving to the same lane, nearly pushing the smaller car off a bridge. A possible miscommunication, as the truck driver seems to have taken the flashing lights as a go signal to pass. The car can be heard scratching aggressively against the bridge railings. An overloaded motorcycle trying to cross a busy highway. None of the passengers had helmets. It almost looks like they were asking for it. Right after getting past the first lane, they get T-boned by a pickup truck and the passengers fly off the bike instantly, leaving the bike totaled. both parties clearly liable as a different camera angle shows the pickup driver approaching the intersection and a pedestrian lane way too fast. The motorcycle riders were clearly injured, but no details were provided on the extent of the injuries. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave us a comment to tell us what you think. For now, let's move on to our next video. All 4 cameras in this Tesla captured the exact moment a pickup truck hydroplanes due to very bad weather conditions, hitting the Tesla from behind. Parts start flying different directions as both vehicles can be seen spinning out of control. Fortunately, no serious injuries were reported.
Set up for him. They popped him out the other end. His son got arrested recently. They got surrounded.
Holy
people they
shit!
negotiated, and they just released him. It was crazy.
That's a complete different world.
It's a different world. It's right.
New York City 911. Do you need police, fire, or medical?
Police, fire, everybody.
Two cars were approaching a ramp when the white sedan in front suddenly hits the brakes, leaving the gray car right behind it with no time to stop. The gray car rolls over after hitting the ramp barriers. Cell phone footage taken minutes later shows the aftermath of the accident. Everyone from both cars suffered serious injuries but survived and even managed to crawl out of the cars on their own.
Paul! Oh my God! Be calm. Be calm. Do you want me to call the cops? Yes or no? Are you okay?
I'm good.
Careful getting out. Yes, we just got into an accident on the service road of 16. Well, it's on the service road by Texas Roadhouse. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, we're pulling into the parking lot where Longhorn Cafe is. The car pulled out in front of us, and we have it on Dashcam.
Is everyone okay?
Not that I know of, but I'll give you her license plate. I don't think she's gonna take off, but just in case. It's a Dodge Charger. It's like a dark blue purple color. It's
Okay.
KM67. What is her license plate? K Kevin Mary 67. Yes, it's like. Yes, yeah. She pulled out in front of us and we broke, but there's no way to avoid it the way she pulled out.
Instead of stopping to give way to a fast approaching SUV, this Dodge Charger moved forward and got rear-ended as it was too late for the 5,000-pound SUV to stop. Failure to yield right of way caused the collision that fortunately only led to some minor physical injuries. This truck got cut off by a car that sped off after the truck can be seen rolling off the freeway in a total wreck. The truck driver was lucky to survive with only a minor cut on his arm, and the dashcam recording on the truck helped identify the car, whose driver was later charged. This vehicle was coasting through the fast lane when a Honda suddenly merged while maintaining a much lower speed. Seconds later, the Honda seems to deliberately hit the brakes, causing the driver behind to take evasive action and lose control, leaving both cars heavily damaged. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Scary Dashcam Vids. Please drive carefully out there because we wouldn't want to see you featured in our next video.